do. Get that running. But first.
Okay, tell me when you want me to go.
Like literally right there. Look, Les.
There she is. Oh my gosh. Jonah, she's so pretty. Adorable. It is adorable.
Hello. Yeah, they said you just dropped it off.
Yeah, I just dropped it off Sunday, so I saw it sitting there. I was wondering if you're going to come on in to...
Well, we called and they told us where to call you.
Okay.
I'm so excited. She's so cute.
Yep. Bill of sale in case somebody asks you along the way. And we'll sign no to and get a copy. Okay, I signed it here. You want me to go ahead and date it for today?
Hi, I'm Leslie Brill. I live in Hilton Head, South Carolina with my 1950 Willys Oberlin Jeepster, Charlene. But most of the time it's just for our friends and our family. The children love it. I love it. We just have a good time with her. She's a good time gal. Can you tell? Open up and show it to you. Everything I own, clean as a whistle. It's a 4-cylinder and has an added overdrive up to 75 whopping miles per hour and over the Cross Island Bridge. The best part of having her is the exercise I get from putting the roof up and down and trying to get out the back passenger window. Learning to drive a 3 on the tree, that was a little bit of an experience. Haven't done that in a while. In about 35 years wild. But happy for the experience again. I've made a few modern conveniences like my perfect surround sound via Bluetooth speaker and my pink cup holder. Now do the seats move at all?
They're fixed.
Okay, that's fine.
It's a fixed seat.
I can work with that.
Yep.
Okay.
Turn the notches up.
This?
The other way. There you go.
Oh, the notches.
Yep.
All right. What's that for?
Okay.
CNN.
There we go. Okay, that's the lights. And this is the choke.
Do I have to put the choke on?
Nope, shouldn't have to. Now your key, just turn it on.
Okay.
And then down here, there's a foot operated switch.
Okay. Now operate that with the punch in?
Yep, push it in.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Now give it gas?
Okay, yep, you've got it in first. All the way back and down is first.
Okay, and then
Whoop.
up is... Oh, hold on. Hang on there, Nellie. Charlene. So then second. Third, right?
Till you get the feel, I'd make a loop out there in the parking lot.
Okay.
And you get the idea of the clutch.
Is my brake on?
Nope.
No. My overdrive is off.
Right.
Bye, honey. Oopsie. How you doing there, buddy? My goodness, she turned on a dime.
style, yep. You've got to cancel them manually. Yeah.
Okay, now I
you're
stopped.
okay. Go to neutral. Whoop, wait a minute. Hey.
There.
And you lift up
And then go down.
and then down.
Okay, and then I'm going to go to neutral again.
Then up it.
Would that be now?
Let's see. First. Yeah, it may just be in between gears and won't go
Okay,
all the way in.
gotcha.
Bins we're
So,
sitting still
we're stuck.
with the clutch in.
Okay.
Yeah. Picture it as an H, a capital H.
Okay. Oh, does it have a reverse?
Yeah.
And that's back and down.
No, it'll be all the way up. Yeah.
It worked.
There you go. Now you're in second.
Now straight down this third.
Yep.
Not going to ask about reverse till I stop.
There you go.
Now this is synchronized. I can go back
Right.
to second if I wanted to.
There. Now you're in second.
I want to do this just so I can practice reverse. Okay, now to reverse.
And just, yeah, lift, oops,
Neutral.
straight up.
Straight up. Like
Yep.
towards me and straight up.
Yep, you gotta stay on that
Okay.
side, yep.
Okay, Jonah, we're trying reverse. We found reverse. Now we're gonna find first. There's first. Got it. Okay. And turn it off just like that.
Yep.
Oh, I'm gonna have to
Clear,
put
yep,
it in
leave
gear.
it in, yep, leaving it first to sit still.
I love it. These are lights.
These are lights, this is choke. Yeah, if she sits for a while,
Okay.
just a little bit of choke, hit the, and your key wants to be straight up.
Okay.
That'll turn the power off. It'll fire up with just a little bit of choke, just a tap on the gas. As soon as she fires up, start easing back in on the choke till it warms up.
Okay. So cool. Okay, well, I find that it's always helpful to wear platform shoes when driving her and turning it on. Also helpful.